Hey, I think I've already told you how much I love sincerely Nadia A's products. And it's to the point that I start freaking out when I'm running low. And so this last order that I ordered, I've learned that it's much easier if you just buy the $25 box and let her send you what she puts together rather than trying to pick out different products for yourself. For one, I kind of get stuck with what I really like, and then I'll just keep getting that. Or then I get a little overwhelmed because there's so many different things that she has, and I'm like, I don't know if I want to try that because I really want this, or maybe I'll get that. No, I'll just stick with what I know. So instead, I got the box. Um, I ordered the box and then I ordered one soap that I really had my eye on. And so my box came in and I wanted to be all, open it and be surprised. But no, I could not wait. I had to look at it first. I had to. I just couldn't help it. So in this box, I got my box. In my box, free gift. Um, a free gift is not guaranteed, but a free gift usually happens. And that's another great thing about ordering from her because she'll throw something in to hook you because now I'm hooked on this too. I mean, I can smell it through the bag. That's my favorite color. So what she sent is the grapefruit vanilla. This is hair and body. It's a natural mist and it smells wonderful. And I'm really funny about perfumes and stuff like that. There's certain things I like, and then that's it. This right here, grapefruit vanilla. Oh my God. Now, looking at the description online, I'm like, grapefruit. Yes, I like citrus. Vanilla. I went vanilla crazy when I was younger. So I'm like, this, this right here, amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So, yeah, go ahead and try it. But so I can show you this little pump. Now, the other problem I have, so that little squirt and so the other problem I have is when I really, really like something, then I don't want to use it. So that's wonderful. It's wonderful. And it's not greasy or anything like that. So not greasy at all. And it smells wonderful. So you get your flyer advertisement with all of her information, all social media information, and then information on the products that she has available. And then this was the soap that I had my eye on. Again, another citrus. So this was citrus sage. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. The real deal. See how thick the soap is. How beautiful the soap is. Yeah, this is the shit. I'm telling you. And then for my box. So not is it only called the box, the $25 box. It actually comes in a box. It actually comes in a box. And in this box, I'm telling you, lavender honey. Lavender honey. Look at that. Yes, the truth. Vanilla moringa. And look at this. Havana. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the colors, the texture. Beautiful. Beautiful. Power. Now I'm going to be nice and allow my husband to get this one. Allow. He's going to take what he wants. And then we're going to fight like we normally do with Nadia stuff. But I already told him, okay, this is yours. He has no idea how many soaps I have. And he doesn't need to know. But I already told him he can get this one. But I don't know. But look at it. Look at that. See, I'm into paintings, and so to see this, I just love it. I love it. Beautiful. And then we have bergamot. And this one I have my eye on because I'm always reading up on bergamot. I'm like, I need to get it. I really need to get it. And then I end up saying, oh no, I'm just going to get that lemongrass because that lemongrass is amazing. And I did not get lemongrass this time. I'm going to try these and look at that. But look at the color. I mean, look at that. Good shit. Okay? Good shit. And then, last but obviously not least, you always save the best for last. As far as presentation, because I'm sure all of these are great. Caramel pretzel. Come on. Focus, focus. There we go, I think. If we do that. So this is caramel pretzel. And it actually has pretzels at the top. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. I mean, you see how thick this is. Caramel pretzel. Again, I'm fascinated by the presentation, and it makes me not want to use it, but I want to use it. And that reminds me of um, the twins. Who's it? Kate and Ashley. It's been so long. But anyway, there's a saying, have your cake and eat it too. And they one time said, no, it's eat your cake and have it too. And that does make more sense, especially when it comes to this. I want to use it, but I want to have it. But I can't wait. I can't wait to try all of these or most of these because I know I'm gonna have to give some up, and I almost feel like I either have to hide them and only take them out when I'm ready to actually use it, or I'm gonna have to mess around and buy boxes for all my girls, for my mother, for my girlfriends. I mean, because so so again, in the box, the $25 box, caramel pretzel, the bergamot, the power, Havana, vanilla moringa, lavender honey, all in this box. All in this box. And then the citrus sage. I think I'm going to try the citrus tonight. I don't know, but I like that. I like that. So maybe we'll do lavender honey. This is stupid because I got to use it. I kind of just want to display it. But who's going to see it in my bathroom? Nobody. Except for my husband, who will mess around and open it, and then I'll be mad. So I don't know. And then the gift that was thrown in, the hair and body. That smells so freaking good. So good. I see me buying this a lot because I love this. And I wear pink sugar. Have worn pink sugar for 10 years now. Yeah, 10 years. This this might, I might start switching it up because this right here, oh yeah. Grapefruit vanilla. Um, it is totally worth it. Um, it would be. I mean, I already have in my head. Okay, every other month, every 3 months, I'm gonna have to re up. So it's just gonna have to be a part of my budget. So it's like I almost did it. It's a subscription plan, or it's going to become in my head a subscription plan because we're going to have to keep doing this. We can't not do it. We can't not do it. So, sincerely, Nadia A. And let's see, there's the website right there, right there. That is not, there you go. There it is. Check her out. And I'm in the South, so, I have to wait for it to come in the mail and all that kind of stuff. But if you're back home where I'm from, New Jersey, she is in New Jersey also. So you'll get your packages a lot sooner than I get mine. But that's all right because I'm going to get a ton of it anyway. I'm going to keep getting it. And it's fully worth it. Absolutely worth it. Smells great. This shit, right? It smells wonderful. Grapefruit vanilla, lemongrass. I bought lemongrass, I think 3 times already. Amazing. Check her out. Don't check her out. Buy something. I'm telling you, you're going to be happy. Trust me on that one. You're going to be happy. I wouldn't bullshit you. All right. See ya.